We are going to have a lot of fun today with an awesome product from HP. Max, the EliteBook, please. This is a 14-inch EliteBook from HP, and this thing is insanely durable. Check that out.
Good intro.
First off, let me tell you what we're looking at here specifically. This is a 14-inch EliteBook. This thing is insanely solid. It can withstand drops. We're going to take this thing outside, and it's going to be Logan versus the HP EliteBook. But first, let's go through a few more specs. I know you guys are waiting for me to run this thing over with a car. That's going to be so much fun, but in a minute. Also, we have rubber around the top here. It's all around beautiful. In particular, this model is an i5 running at 2.33 gigahertz. We also have 4 gigabytes of DDR3, 320 gigabyte hard drive, and oh, this is just really smooth. This is like military grade construction right here. And they put this thing through some ridiculous stress tests. 6 hours of straight dust. They just blow dust at it for 6 hours. No problem. Pour water on it, no problem. Drop it from 30 inches, 26 times, no problem. The construction is amazing. They talked to BMW about some of this, so BMW helped them out with the case design. Also, the Swiss Army helped them out over here on the side. Come over here and let's take a closer look at this unit. Check it out. We've got precision aluminum alloy hinges. These things are nice. Swiss Army design. Yes. The latches are cast titanium alloy, and they lock nice and tight. Okay, facing front on the laptop, here's the left side. On the back, we have the DC input right there. Firewire, 2 USB 3, very nice. Below that, there we have memory card slots, and there's an expansion slot right here. On this side, we also have a DVD burner, and the DVD burner has LightScribe. Okay, if you're sitting in front of the laptop and you turn the laptop to the right side, here's what you're going to see. On this side, we have the audio options, the headphone, microphone. Moving on back, that is a combo, eSATA and USB in one port. How do they do it? They're wizards. Right there, that's another USB 2.0 port, and this one is powered, so meaning even if the laptop is turned off, you can plug up your cell phone or any other device that charges through USB, and it'll charge right there. And then right there, that is DisplayPort. Moving on around to the back. Okay, the back is extremely sleek. You can see here the inlaid screws. There are those aluminum alloy hinges, very nice. That's VGA, and beside that, that is gigabit Ethernet. Okay, this is very interesting. The bottom of the unit is completely toolless. All you do is move this latch over here to unlock it, and we just slide this off very roughly like this. There we go. Not very roughly. It comes off easily. And there we have the insides. Everything is secure. I want to note that there's rubber everywhere, you know, in case there's any shock. Okay, now they've done a lot to keep this hard drive safe and secure. First, there's rubber around here to absorb shock. That's nice. This thing is mounted firmly to the notebook. It's just like really mounted to the frame, and that's going to also help reduce the shock, or the transmission of shock, that is, by up to 50%. Now, they've done a combination of things here. They call it the 3D drive guard. The other thing that's really nice about this, there is a 3-axis digital accelerometer built in, and what that's going to do is if it detects that, you know, something is happening, the system is dropping, it will stop the movement of the hard drive. Everything, all the motion stops, and the head also locks. So that's going to prevent damage to the drive. Also, I want to note that only one of the RAM slots is occupied, so you can add another stick of memory right there and have more RAM. How nice is that? Okay, and back here, that is expansion, so you can use one of the HP expansion docks. A lot of options there as well. Up here at the top, this is a magnesium and aluminum display enclosure. Also, rubber all the way around the sides of the display there. Such a beautiful alloy chassis. I just want to cuddle up to it, but I'm going to knock it out later. we're going to beat this thing up. Now I want to mention that the touchpad here is actually chemically strengthened glass. That's right, it's really strong. Can't mess with that. And beside that, we have anodized aluminum palm rest. What that means is there's an oxide coating over top of this, so it's difficult to scratch. My cat claws are not doing anything to this thing right now. So that's nice. Now I know they've done their own tests. They've dropped it 26 times from 30 inches. They've done vibration tests, taking it 1,000 miles. They've also done dust tests where they just blast dust at it for 6 hours. They've done hot and cold tests where they take it to extreme temperatures, like they put it in an oven at 60 Celsius, which is 140 Fahrenheit. Still runs. They take it to negative 29, which is negative 20 Fahrenheit, and everything's working beautifully. They've done shock tests, but they haven't done the Logan test. It's about time to do the Logan test on this HP EliteBook. Max, shall we put this thing through the test?
Yes.
We shall.